According to a report by the Civil Aviation Authority, heavy thundershowers are expected in most parts of Oman starting today. As per Alert No.2 issued by the CAA, heavy thundershowers are expected to continue from 21st of March until Wednesday, the 22nd of March morning over Governorates of Dhofar and Al Wusta. However, the thundershower might gradually extend to the Governorates of South Al-Sharqiya, North Al-Sharqiya, Al-Dakhiliyah, Al-Dhahirah, Al-Buraimi, North Al-Batinah, South Al-Batinah, Muscat and Musandam in the afternoon. Rainfall is expected to range between 10 mm to 70 mm within a span of 24 hours.